Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So it is officially after midnight on what we consider to be Tool Day, which is day 2 of our Elite Anniversary Week sales. Tool Day is actually one of my favorite days right now because I had tools so many moons ago and I had gotten out of that realm of the tools. And then when I got introduced to working with a different brand and their tools, I'm like, Crystal, you've been doing this already. So go back and do this. So I did, and we officially dropped our newest flat iron today, which is the Smooth by EHC XL iron, as well as we restocked our Smooth by EHC 1-inch iron. So those two irons are on the site and they're $15 off. Now that I've already said that, tomorrow is going to be day 3 of our Elite Anniversary sale, which that is Wacky Wednesday, where we have 25% off all the products on the site, including our new Hair Repair and Revive collection, as well as still the $15 off of flat irons and $7 shipping anywhere in the U.S. for any order under $150. Once it goes over $150, the shipping is free. My day has been very festive, to say the least. I'm just going to show you. Hold on. So I get a call this morning from the contractor people who are repairing my floor. We'll talk about that in just a second. To only hear them say, hey, did you know that a car crashed into your building? And I said, excuse me, no. He's like, yeah, your whole front of your building is missing. Should we still do the floor? And I was like, wait, what? So apparently a car decided to grace the presence of the front of the shop and took everything down with it. So here we are. Now, let me back up a little bit. About 2 weeks ago, if you guys look up in the top right corner of this screen, you see that water spraying by the door? Okay, so apparently that pipe broke and it was spraying for 3 days and flooded the salon, which is the reason why they hired a floor person to come fix the floor. Aside from life just lifing in my own personal life, I don't know. So 2 weeks ago, it was a water fountain. Today, it's why I don't know. The way life is going right now, all I can do is just smile and say, okay. Thank God everybody's okay. Yes, the salon has to be closed. I can't do anything about it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, apparently the person from the crash, hopefully they were okay, of course, because I didn't see that part of it, took the water line with it. So I don't have any water. So either way, I couldn't work. Guys, it is my anniversary week. And everything you can think of has come into this week. But all I can say is I'm healthy. My children are healthy. And I can celebrate my anniversary week and I'm thankful. That is it. That is all. Everything else, I don't care. You could pour bleach on me right now. It's not going to bring me down. But just know. Okay, that is all.